Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest updates on everything happening in Ebonyi State and around. Now today's topic is one that has sparked a lot of conversations online, some positive, some not so good. So yesterday, the Honorable Minister of Works and former Governor of Ebonyi State, David Umahi, took to his official Facebook handle to share a significant event he hosted in Ebonyi State. He gathered Muslim faithfuls in Ebonyi State all over the state, including the Hausa, the Yoruba and Igbo communities, for the Ramadan breaking of fast. We all know yesterday they broke their fast and it was all celebrations galore. Now this event wasn't just about food and prayers, it was graced by big names, including the leadership of the Christian Association of Nigeria, CAN, both at the Southeast and Ebonyi State chapters, which was led by Reverend Father Abraham Wanli and Reverend Mokolo. During this address to the massive crowd, something very important happened. David Umahi emphasized the importance of unity and religious tolerance. He made a very powerful statement, reminding everyone that we all worship one God, but in different ways and beliefs. He warned against being deceived by religious bigots and encouraged everyone to focus on the sole purpose of worship, which is God. Now that's a message that definitely resonates with everyone. But that wasn't all. He also urged the people to remember President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Governor Francis Nwifuru in their prayers as they work towards peace, security and good governance in Nigeria. I feel that David Umahi's efforts at ensuring religious tolerance in Ebonyi State are worthy of emulation, okay? It's undeniable that this kind of inclusive leadership will yield wonderful results by participating in the Ramadan breaking of fast. He has once again demonstrated his love and commitment to fostering peace among all faiths in the state. And let's be real, these kinds of action do go a long way in ensuring peace and tranquility, not just in Ebonyi State but across Nigeria. However, as always, there have been mixed reactions so far, and this is as a result of a statement he made during the breaking of fast. In David Umahi's words and not mine, like I said, he urged Nigerians, especially these Muslim faithfuls, to pray for Tinubu's re-election. This is what Senator David Umahi said according to Vanguard newspaper yesterday. The minister said things have turned around in Nigeria under the President Tinubu's administration, stating that the worst was over in the country, with God showing himself mightily and marvelously under the president's administration. In your prayers, please pray for the president, for his success, for all the great work he is doing, because it came in the name of God, and God has shown himself so mighty, strong for our president. We pray that God will guide him in good health and everything good thing he thinks for this nation will come to pass. He will achieve it, and of course, as we prepare to complete our first tenure, that will also be re-elected for second tenure so that he will complete the good job that he has started. Things are turning around. God is showing himself so strong in our administration, and the worst is over. God is helping us mightily and marvelously, the minister said. He also urged the Muslim community to pray for Governor Francis Nwifuru, who he said has brought everybody together, all-inclusive administration. David Umahi further went ahead and said, there are no more oppositions in Ebonyi State. Only APC is now in Ebonyi State. He has brought everybody to be on board. This is really, really intense, okay? Now, like I said, there has been mixed reactions in the Facebook comments. Some Ebonyans are beginning to see this as a remarkable and commendable gesture towards fostering unity and peaceful coexistence. But on the flip side, there are those who feel that David Umahi is giving too much attention to Northerners in Ebonyi State. Some have even gone as far as expressing concerns over the recent killings allegedly carried out by some Northern elements in Ebonyi. They question whether this is the right time for such a grand gesture. Please permit me, I'm not going to read out these comments. Kindly go through these comments and see the mixed reactions. So here is the big question for you watching. Do you think David Umahi's Ramadan outreach was a step in the right direction, or do you think he's giving undue attention to Northerners despite security concerns? Let's discuss in the comments section. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ebony People TV for more insightful updates.